Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get monetized on the TikTok. So if you want to make money through TikTok by uploading your content, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So in few countries, TikTok have monetization option. TikTok will play ad before your video and in return you will get money. So how you can get it? So here we can read the requirements. You must have minimum 10,000 followers on your TikTok account, and you must have a creator profile. And one thing, your video must have 1 lakh video views in the past 30 days. Your account must have adhered to TikTok community guidelines and term of services. So fulfill this criteria and make money through the TikTok monetization. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.